Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off dark mode in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to open your settings and now search for dark mode. Click on Turn on dark mode for apps. Here you can see choose your mode. Click on dark. Here you can see options light and dark. If you want to turn off your dark mode, then click on light, and if you want to turn on dark mode, then click on dark. That's it. So this is how you can turn on and off dark mode in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.